Quiet, you fools! Stop! We cannot continue until the silence. Thank you. Have we done it? Have we finally found the Grail? The magic 8-ball. It has told us so. It is said to be contained in one of these boxes. Is it this one? I think not. I think not. Let us look. It is a fit. No, the Grail cannot be contained here. No, it is not in this box either. Perhaps this one. Oh, through all the blood, sweat, and tears, have we found the Grail? Have we finally been led to the Grail? In this box, no, it is not. It is an impossibility. But we're so close. In here, maybe. We shall look. It is so small, it cannot possibly. But lo, look. The dead men of the desert fox. It must be close. We shall find it. I'm sure of it. No. Headhunter. DC. That matters not. Look. We're so close. I can feel it. You must know it can be in here. Oh, what a mighty fine Wookiee. I love him. And, I feel the power. The DL-44 heavy blaster pistol. The Grail must be close by. What's this? Is this it? It must be it. This. Possibly. I'm not sure. This is contained in this sack. So difficult. I don't think it's it. It can't be. No, it is only the Grail's companion. Oh, Lord Vader. We have found you. But the Grail, where's the Grail? Is anything else contained in this bag? It must be his weapon. It must be there. There it is. We found it. But it is not the Grail. Why? Why did they deceive me so? I must know. Is this the Grail? Is it? Is this the Grail? Is it? We shall soon see. My goodness. Lo! It's the Grail! We have found it! The mightiest of all Kenna's creations! Here it is! The Grail! In all of its glory! Huzzah! We have done it today, my friends, my brothers, for all of our losses have not been in vain. We have found the mighty Boba Fett.